Hello guys, welcome to this course. In today's session, we're going to learn how to make a project like this. Kiran is an astronaut. Help her collect all the crystals. This course focuses on the mouse pointer and repeat until block. Start a new project by clicking create in the top navigation. Delete the default cat sprite. Next, add a backdrop by hovering on the backdrop icon and click on Paint. This time, we will be creating our own backdrop. Select the rectangle tool and set the fill color to black. Zoom out so that you can see the whole canvas. Click and drag the rectangle to cover the entire canvas area. Kiran, Sprite and Code. Create a new sprite by clicking the sprite icon located next to the backdrop icon. This will open a Choose a Sprite window. Click on the Kiran. Next, click the Code tab. Make sure you have the sprite selected and add these blocks to the code area. Now let's explain these blocks. When the green flag is pressed, we set the size to 25 and enter a forever loop. In the forever loop, we point Kiran towards the mouse and move 10 steps. Crystal, Sprite and Code. Create a new sprite by clicking the sprite icon located next to the backdrop icon. This will open a Choose a Sprite window. Click on the crystal. Next, click the Code tab and add these blocks to the code area. The explanation of this code. When the green flag is pressed, show the crystal using the show block. Then, we have the repeat until block, which keeps running until the condition is met. The condition is repeat until the crystal is touching Kiran. What are we repeating? We are rotating the crystal by 15 degrees and changing the color effect by 25. If the crystal touches Kiran, then break out of the repeat until block and hide the crystal. Now, we need to create 6 more crystal sprites. Instead of creating a new sprite and write code for each sprite one by one, there is a faster way. Anytime you want to make multiple sprites that are similar, you can just duplicate the sprite. Let's do that for the crystal sprites. Right-click on the crystal sprite and select duplicate. Repeat this 5 more times. In total, you should have 7 crystal sprites. You will notice that the code for each sprite was also duplicated. Well guys, here is the finished game. Awesome! All done! Hope you liked this one.